here we are. I am. Here we are at my home base, my very first base I ever built. It's not really. Oh, that's new. Um, so I haven't really decorated or anything too much. I've been focusing more on exploring the galaxy than um, doing decorations. So this section of my base leads out to the different exocraft. The roamer. I've got my minotaur here. There we have the colossus. It's way too big for me to use. What's this? Oh, this is where I do have my appearance modifier. And then this was originally designed, it was supposed to be kind of like a tunnel like for the Batmobile, um, where you get on the motorcycle and ride the motorcycle out. And I couldn't really get it to work, so I still have the corridor, but now you don't drive through it. It just leads to the exocraft. Now this room, we have our portal, but this room actually holds a secret behind the portal. Okay, downstairs. This is like the first floor right here. It's our little front porch deck that overlooks the planet. Oh, recharge my life support. And then alright, downstairs I've got the little hydroponics plant here. Um, Working on unlocking the agricultural stuff. Like I said, it's been a while since I've actually been working on it, so down here is effectively the basement. It's my base computer there. And then at the very bottom here, which is the basement, has all of the containers that holds all my extra stuff. And I have a freighter that has that stuff as well. But when I come back to my base, then that's all I really want to worry about, is being able to access it from there and not have to summon my freighter. And there's a little sofa right there. And I've got my Galactic Trade Terminal. Now let's go back to our hallway over here. And hidden in here, there's a special hidden room. hidden hydroponics farm where I grow Nip Nip. I figure this starting planet would be the perfect place to start this. It's on a planet with very little sentinel activity, so I wouldn't be bothered while doing this. Unfortunately, I actually started on this before I learned about some of the other building me, building materials and different buildings that you can build. So this can take a decent amount of time to be able to harvest everything. But I can make about 21 million credits every harvest. And that's that I can do every 4 hours. But I don't tend to play that long. When I'm playing No Man's Sky, by the time it's ready for another harvest, I've already gotten off the game. Luckily this time, the mountain has not encroached on my planting area again. Every planet and every base, the way I understand it, they have a limit to the amount of edits that you can make to the terrain, and if there's too many, then it starts to revert back to the original, how it originally was. This entire area here was all mountain, and I excavated all of it to make these areas. Oh yeah, I forgot. See, when you don't play that often, you kind of forget what all you were working on and what all you have. These are the Gravitino balls. And then my cut rock flowers. Now this started out as my farm, but once I found out about the biodomes and being able to plant a lot more in a similar amount of space, and not just similar amount of space, but something that makes harvesting a whole lot easier, a lot quicker. So instead of entirely getting rid of this section, I've basically converted it into a little home garden that allows me to grow and harvest what I need in order to fill out my actual farm. See what I said about how long it takes to actually do the harvesting? It's, yeah. Now, the only other thing about playing this game is there is a good possibility that it's actually going to crash. I don't think the game is really optimized for the Switch, but that's the system I have this for, and I'm not going to get it for the computer since I already have this one. Alright, I think this is the last bit that needs to be harvested. Yeah, that's everything. What in the world? Unknown building. Damaged machinery. What? Nope, not gonna worry about it. So this is basically a little mini farm that provides everything needed for the big farm. And we're gonna go to the big farm now. There we are, the farm. When I found this planet, I knew absolutely that I had to turn that into my farm. There's nothing there. Absolutely nothing. No plants, no animals, no sentinels. It's off the beaten path. No one's gonna accidentally find it. It's the perfect hiding spot. Alright, so alright, so this is the farm, or the entrance to the farm. Down here, have our refiner to be able to extract the materials that we need for expanding the farm. And I think, okay, I have containers set up for crafting materials and contraband and the elements to be able to craft stuff. Wait, what? Hold up. Flora. So apparently there are plants here? Okay, I didn't realize that. So this here is the launch pad for our ships. You'll see that I currently have Truck as my ship, and that's my smuggling ship. And of course, every base is going to have the base computer, and this leads up to the farm. Now, I've worked on getting this set up to where it's the most efficient, and so there is a single path that leads through all of these. So let's see. I'm fairly certain I had one or two of these that I didn't finish filling out. But I can't remember. Let's see. Do. Or, you know what? Maybe I did finish filling all of these out. I don't remember. Yeah, I'll go back through and harvest these later. I'm just checking to make sure that I have all of them filled out. Yeah, it looks like it's all filled out. And that one's all filled out. Yep. And this one's all filled out. All filled out. All filled out. Aha! I was right. I did have one that I didn't have filled out. Let's clear that. And then I need my nip. So then in 4 hours, I'll be able to harvest this again. Alright, that one's filled. Okay, this one is filled. This one's filled. That one's filled. Okay, that one's filled. And oh, there's some that's missing in here. remember exactly how many of these I have. I think, let's see, that should be, okay. Alright, so that looks like that's everything. Wait, was that put on? Oh, that was put on there. Okay. Oh. No, that's gonna be... Okay. So now I can harvest 16 at a time easily. Except for the ones that I just got finished filling completely. Let's see. Okay, I've got more than enough room. One of the other things that I've been working on is I've been upgrading my inventory so I can hold more. The more I can hold, the more I can harvest. Oh, was that a shooting star that just flew by? Nice. So many to harvest. Yeah. All the nip-nip. all mine to harvest and sell. And the sentinels will never find me. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Huh. Alright, let's drop off some of this stuff. Alright. Let's, oh, you know what? I can drop off some stuff here, too. The glass. Metal. And then put some stuff in the elements here. Let's see. Atlantean. That in there. And magnetized ferrite, we're done with that for now. And oh, that's building material there. Hold up. Has there been an update since the last time I played? Because that coloration is different. Okay. Ferrite dust. Go ahead and put that away. Okay, that'll do. That gives me a little extra room. Of course, most of my stuff is in storage now. Whoops. Oh, come on. And back in. And wait, did my inventory get filled? What? The world? Okay. That's different. Okay, there we go. Okay. I can't believe that is. I just ran out of storage space with just like 3 of these left. So let's go back. Don't need the refiner right now.
Slots in suit inventory.
Okay. And there's no free spots there either. Okay. Well, that's fine. I can always get some more after I go sell this stuff off.